don't get money.
Hey.
Hey, 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 hey. Not the. Hey, hey.
Ratchet CHATZ. We live. Ratchet CHATZ. We yes. We got a bag. Tune in. We live. Wednesday night. With your girl.
Welcome to Ratchet CHATZ. It's motherfucking Wednesday. Hey y'all.
Wednesday night. What's up, Ratchets? Welcome to another episode of Ratchet CHATZ podcast, Dallas podcast. We are your hosts. I'm your girl Elle.
And I'm Erica.
I'm Taylor, sorry.
We are your hosts of Ratchet CHATZ podcast. Thanks for tuning in to another live, popping, crunk ass, raw ass
And
episode.
tonight, it's just gonna be some ratchet shit. We don't have no scheduled topic. Whatever the fuck come out of our mouths tonight, that's just what it is.
Tonight's topic is freestyle, which means the topics tonight are gonna hit your ass.
You gonna be like,
Like a
did
little
you say
plug.
that?
So we don't have a certain topic tonight. We talk about a little bit of everything tonight.
A little bit of everything.
Hey, look, where can they find us?
You can find us on YouTube, which is Ratchet_CHATZ.podcast. You can also follow us on Instagram, which is Ratchet_CHATZ.podcast as well.
Yes, you can, and that is podcast. Not
P-O-T.
podcast. But podcast.
Podcast with a T because we smoke on this show, we drink on this show. Get you a shot, get you a drink, get a couple blunts. 40 minutes of fun, laughter, and we finna turn this bitch up.
Just
So
kick
with
it.
that being said, we gotta get y'all started tonight.
Yeah.
And y'all already know how the fuck we finna get this hoe started.
We need
If-
hand claps.
We need hand claps. If you fuck with
You
this
know
show,
what's up.
I wanna see them hand claps in the motherfucking comments, cause it's about to get.
That's if y'all know what's up. If y'all
Come
want
on,
the show, we
hand
should
claps.
have to tell y'all about that.
If you fuck with the show, we not even gonna have to motherfucking tell you. So with that being said,
On 3.
ladies and gentlemen, it goes a little something like this. If you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet and you know it, then your bitch will surely show it. If you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. Clap your ass. Clap your ass, clap your ass, clap your ass.
Hey.
And that's how we gonna open up tonight's show.
Ratchet CHATZ.
Y'all also wanna give them a little taste.
That's the logo. Okay, y'all. So we've been working on our new EP. Finna drop soon.
Look at my heart, cause I'm ready for the song. Y'all.
Are
I
y'all
think we
ready?
should play it at the end.
Okay.
Okay.
If y'all fuck with the show, we have a treat for y'all.
If
at
y'all
the
gonna
end
fuck
of
with the show, you gonna stay to the end. So we got something for y'all.
We
at
gonna
the
bless
end.
y'all at the end of the show with a lovely treat. So,
Come on now.
what's up? What's popping this week in social media?
Well, we did find out Young Miami is pregnant.
What y'all think about that?
Quite frankly, I don't give a fuck. But
You can get
bitch,
What
it
I've
was
been-
capping. Bitch, it was capping.
Well, what I've been laughing at is the niggas talking shit like, yeah, all y'all hoes out there following up the city girls, getting all these hoes pregnant.
I seen some niggas talking about we finna get our summer back. You hoes really thought y'all had Cardi B, Young Miami,
All the
Meg, and
hoes.
they feeling y'all head
They
up.
in love and pregnant. They telling y'all not to get the nigga.
So what y'all think though? Miami.
I feel like she should have waited because she is right. She really at the height of her career. I thought she should have just took a little more time to enjoy her career and damn, at least wait till JT get
At
out.
least wait till JT come home. And do y'all think JT pregnant?
Who is she? How she?
They saying she pregnant by a gardener.
Girl, I'm dead.
The rumor is out that she's pregnant.
I'm
That's
dead.
it for the city girls. The city girls are gonna be boys. They're
Who's going to
not.
perform?
One is locked up and one is knocked up.
I mean, she could be
And by
like
the time the other
Cardi
one get out, you're gonna be having a baby.
B. Exact in paternity leave.
By the time JT get out, she's gonna be having that baby.
That shit crazy.
I don't know. I don't really care. I mean,
I
it's
wouldn't
your
fuck
life.
my. Would y'all have had it though if y'all was in the highlight of your career and y'all got pregnant?
I would have.
Ooh.
Cause shit, I'm good. I'm rich. My nigga got money too. And it's just like when Cardi B. People still fuck with her. She dropped her baby and bitch out there back again. People still about her
but
shit.
Cardi was more. She had a little more shit going.
Her fan base was way larger. She
had
had already built her shit up. Then she dropped that baby on that bitch ass and they stayed around. Yo, Miami.
Performing with a big ass belly.
I still like the City Girls. Shit, it's just gonna be hard to believe what the fuck y'all saying when y'all got knocked the fuck up and pregnant. But you
can't trust none of these hoe ass rappers.
Right.
But all I'm saying is, bitch, your career, I would have waited a little longer just so I can enjoy my, my career. You're rich now. You probably never been this rich in your life. So enjoy it a little longer.
Right. I agree.
I definitely would have.
Because I don't feel like you even gonna be able to raise your baby. Like you gonna have a stranger raising your child for you.
Strap up. Y'all hoes get a little bread and start fucking raw. Strap up. You famous. If I got famous, I'd be strapping up more than any fucking thing. But my bitch has to get on some birth control.
Man, we're not even taking them chances. We ain't playing no games. Especially of my career like they are. But if I was to get pregnant, I'd just have a baby shit. And figure it out from there.
I'm not trying to fuck with it, but what else popping out?
She.
So.
Okay,
so let's get the show started.
Okay, let's get the show started. First random ass question I got. I'm gonna throw it out there.
Throw that bitch out there like a motherfucking jump shot.
Fuck, ladies.
Ladies.
I'm at a stage in my life.
Yeah.
Where I like a bald fade on my pussy.
That's what's up.
Fellas, how many of y'all can appreciate a woman with a little hair on her pussy?
Hair or ball?
How many of my Ratchet fellow followers, I'm gonna call them?
I like bald. I'm at a point. Now, I don't get me wrong. I still had that bitch balled up.
Yeah.
But, sometimes I do like a little mohawk, a little design or some shit.
What?
So, my question is, do you think niggas appreciate a bitch with a little hair on their pussy?
Some men probably do. I think some men probably do because it's a turn off when I meet a nigga with a shaved dick. I mean, I'ma probably still go through with it, but I need you to have some on your dick.
So ladies, shaved or no shave? Bald dick or hairy dick?
I'm in between.
I don't want a hairy dick.
Bald dick or hairy dick?
I'm in between.
So you wouldn't mind a bald dick either?
I wouldn't mind a bald dick, but I don't like a lot of hair either. I don't like when that shit just like stacked the fuck up.
Okay, this is why I like a groomed dick.
I like a groomed dick. Where that shit ain't nappy. Like, you need a comb to
write that down
shit.
tonight, y'all. Groomed penis. Dick.
Just like you, like a man want a groomed vagina, I want a groomed dick.
So how do you prefer your penis to look?
Okay, me.
I would say low hair.
I like bangs.
I like not the dick, the top part of the dick.
Oh.
The pussy area.
She likes bangs.
Pussy area.
That's why when y'all shade that shit, y'all don't realize how much of a pussy
Y'all niggas be
you look like.
areas.
That shit, I don't like this shit. I don't like bald dick. Then it's like, what are you trying to hide?
Especially fat niggas. They be looking like a fat pussy.
Ew.
Fat bald pussy.
So you fat niggas walking around here with a bald pussy?
Fat ass.
Knowing it's gonna look like you got a camel toe.
That looks like a pussy. Really, in them
Disgusting.
boxes, you got a naked ass pussy square triangle. I mean.
Ew.
So I don't know. I don't like bald, bro. I like her. I'm sorry.
I like groomed, but I mean, I don't fuck with some niggas who wasn't groomed. I mean, I just don't like the appearance of it, but I still fuck with a nigga. Now, I don't fuck with all three of them niggas. Groomed, ungroomed, and slightly groomed. Fuck with all three, y'all.
So if he bald, what you gonna do?
I mean, it's gonna be a turn off. I may mention it like, later on down the line, like, why you
Would you ask him why he shaved his dick?
Yes, I've asked that.
Ladies, have y'all ever asked a fella why is his dick bald?
And most niggas say because they sweat. They sweat a lot and it smells.
I've heard that.
Yeah, so maybe they just trying to avoid it.
Speaking of it smells, did y'all see the ratchet question of the day?
Yeah.
What do you do when you come across a stinking ass dick?
Run away.
I'm gonna make up an
Run
excuse.
away.
I'm a dip. I'm just gonna be like, I can't.
I've definitely have experienced
So
that.
my answers were A, suck it
And
say fuck it.
No.
B, fuck it but don't suck it.
No.
C, make up a lie and try to dip.
That's
C.
what I picked.
D, tell y'all niggas, your shit stink, fam.
See?
I'm gonna go with
You See what's make up a lie.
D was tell the truth and be like, your shit stink. I gotta go. So you would pick D, Caleb.
I ain't gonna lie, it's not for me.
No.
Yeah, that's D. D was.
No, she's no. Tell him it stinks. No, tell him it stinks.
I ain't never told him.
Not make up a lie. Tell him you stink.
See, I'm gonna be like,
I gotta pick up my little girl.
oh, I gotta go. I'm so sorry.
Look at down there. Damn, I just stopped. I gotta get my granny.
My mama don't like a lot of people when I pick
Damn. Damn, what if he's sexy too?
Fuck that. I don't give a fuck. That's just like a bad bitch or some
So you ain't gonna eat it up. Y'all ain't never ate it up if y'all ain't never end up fucking a nigga with a stanky dick.
No, that's
I'm not
bad.
going forward.
It's hard to because
I'm turned off.
It's just hard. The room gonna be smelling like that stanky ass dick. Ew.
I've experienced that.
That's
Stanky dick and condom.
I've experienced stanky dick and stanky
and
breath.
pussy smell. You know pussy.
Now I will say this. Stanky breath fam. You gotta get up out my house.
So
Oh
you
my
put a nigga out
God.
my
Bro.
over dick.
Bro.
Stanky dick or stanky breath? Which
Stanky
one he
breath.
get?
I can't, bro. It's like,
Stanky breath is trash.
y'all, stanky breath. That's one of
I
my
hate stanky
biggest
breath.
fucking
That's
turn.
nasty.
I will literally stop fucking with you.
That's disgusting.
I
hate
can't
stanky
fuck with you,
breath.
fam. I'm sorry.
I can't fuck with stanky breath. I can't fuck with either. Oh, especially if it's real stank. That stank where you can be over there, like where she at, and I
And
still
it
smell
lingers.
Or bitch, you lock in the car and that shit just doing this. Just circling
But
around.
fellas, back on the stanky dick. Why do y'all dick stink?
because they be playing, they be doing all that extra shit and don't want to take their ass.
And then
shower.
when
They don't take a bath.
And then when they are circumcised, do you know that they be sweating underneath their skin?
They have to pull that skin back and clean
They
it.
have to pull it back and clean it because they get white buildup around there.
Like a yeast infection.
Fellas, don't think I don't know because I do.
That's disgusting.
Pull it back and clean it.
Pull it on back. Pull it
There's
on back.
juices and leftover crevices underneath that skin. You have to pull it back and clean it. I've seen white rings.
That's disgusting.
I've seen white rings. Fellas,
That's
I'm trying to put y'all business out there. But you niggas need to stop that shit. That's why your dick
disgusting.
stink.
Pull all the skin back.
Ew.
Nut.
Yeah, the skin. It be
Because if you
slippery.
think about when they nut, them extra skin dick niggas, when they nut get back in their skin.
That's fucking.
Because your dick finna go back soft.
That's disgusting.
Ew.
Get your bitch ass in the shower. Pull that whole ass skin back, my nigga. And then fuck with me.
Is y'all a real bitch?
No. What?
Are you gonna pull his skin back and clean it for him?
No.
Are y'all a real bitch?
No.
If y'all in the shower, if y'all nigga uncircumcised and y'all get in the shower
If
together.
that nigga makes me, not that nigga, but if that makes me a real bitch or not, I'm not. I'm not
I
gonna
don't
clean
even
your
think
shit
a
back.
nigga gonna want you to fucking do that. Cause
No.
a lot of times
Look, that nigga like,
they so sensitive.
Look.
Niggas who are uncircumcised, they're so sensitive with that extra ass piece of skin.
there's a lot of niggas who feel big boss niggas who ain't feeling.
Big ball niggas? You said?
Big boss niggas who got
Oh.
big dicks, they just uncircumcised. They
What
feel
about
like-
big ball niggas though?
I hate when a nigga balls too big.
Big balls.
I hate when they balls bigger than they dick.
I hate when balls.
I hate when they're too tight.
And I hate when balls haven't dropped. Why haven't your balls dropped?
I hate when they haven't dropped and they
You're
too tight.
fucking
upstairs.
lying. Your balls haven't dropped.
Damn, they're tucked in your asshole. Why
Yeah.
haven't they dropped?
That's annoying.
Fellas, what are
Undropped
some
balls.
reasons? Yeah, what are some reasons why y'all balls haven't dropped yet?
We want to know what are some reasons why the balls don't drop.
For real, I want to know why haven't the sack fell?
We need to know.
I like to be able to
I
pull
wanna
my
be able
balls
to
as
tuck
I'm
and
sucking.
jiggle.
They need to do
balls.
exercises.
Not no tight ass.
Do this.
Just start shaking your balls like dice. Loosen the balls up. Shake the ball like dice.
Oh, a little bald nigga with an uncircumcised dick.
I hate little
That's
balls.
a fucked up combination.
I hate tight ball niggas with little dicks.
I hate skinny dicks with tight balls.
I hate it all.
And I like sucking balls.
Oh, I like sucking balls.
Me too.
I don't.
I love balls.
New song coming out soon.
Catch that EP. So, fellas, extra skin, balls haven't dropped, stanky dick.
Oh my God, y'all niggas be talking about
ball dick.
Y'all need to make sure your dick is have keeping up maintenance with your own dick. Like she said, there's a couple things that niggas need to consider. Hairy dicks, hairy balls.
What about when they got hair on that line between the ball sack and the asshole?
I wouldn't know.
I'm not that deep in.
Well, I said the balls.
In the asshole though.
I'm not saying that.
That's
I said, what if they have hair underneath their balls?
The gooch?
Oh, that's
What you talking about? That's what it's called. The line between.
I'm not fucking with Gucci's.
I'm definitely not.
I'm definitely not. But
Disgusting.
How y'all lick the gooch?
Ew. I wouldn't even fuck with
Yeah,
a
I'm
nigga who
not
asked me. Why would you ask me to lick your Gucci?
I'm sure
Yeah,
you
I'm
work
not saying you
ass.
eat. You like licking balls? Go down just a little bit further. You right there.
That's what I'm saying.
That's your asshole. That's what shit lingers right there. No.
It fell on his balls too.
No, bitch.
Some of this shit fell on his balls.
He probably did a better job of washing
It
his
probably
balls
fell in
than his
between.
Gucci.
Now, why do niggas get shit stains though? That's a common thing for niggas. Why do y'all get that
That's
shit?
like, they lazy.
It's common for
It's
y'all to
coming
get
from
shit
their balls.
stains. Kalu, no.
Shit got on their balls.
Kalu,
That's what I'm thinking. They sit on the toilet.
fellas,
The shit fall down, hit their balls. The balls hit the drawers.
fellas, why do y'all get shit stains? It's common for y'all.
That's disgusting. Y'all some nasty ass. And then y'all them loose ass boxers.
Y'all
be
know.
loose in the bitch.
But they wear briefs, that's why they get stains.
And all in your ass.
That's why.
That shouldn't be that far up anyways.
Nah.
No,
that's
they
fucking
wipe
tight.
your
If you don't
ass.
wipe good, it do be like that.
If you don't wipe your ass and you sit down and you start sweating, some stains is gonna seep through.
And then imagine a
Disgusting.
nigga sagging with a brown ass shit stain.
Y'all probably fuck some niggas with some shitty drawers. Didn't see
nah.
them.
Ooh.
It's dark.
Hey, you know what, Taylor?
You can see everything.
I don't check niggas' drawers.
Hey, look, hey, let me see your drawers.
I
It's
don't
gonna
do
be
that.
about checking the drawers. It's gonna be a linger. If you
It
if
will.
a nigga got some shitty ass stained drawers on, you gonna smell that shit when
So you think if he got a stain, you gonna smell it?
Yes, stinky drawers can be smelled.
I'm pretty sure it's happened.
Nah, I doubt it. The niggas
So
out
every nigga your entire life ain't never had a shit stain.
Ooh, I don't think so.
Exactly, my point. You
was-
don't know.
I would say this.
Going
I
forward,
can say
everybody shake
I've
drawers.
never
say
seen it.
this confidently, I think.
I've never seen the inside of a nigga's drawers.
I would say probably I don't know. I guess I can't say this. I don't know.
Look, I haven't seen any stains.
And I never looked for them though. I never looked this
I haven't
nigga's
looked.
drawers.
So I'm finna start checking you niggas.
Cause when a nigga pull his drawers, that nigga do like that.
Baby, let me see the drawers.
Drawers.
Dick out that
I'll get my good dry chicken.
Let me see the drawers.
Drop them drawers.
Drop, nigga.
Drop.
Turn it inside out.
Let me see.
Turn it inside out, nigga.
Shake it.
Alright, you good. Come on.
He good.
I can fuck with
Come
you.
on.
Oh, dry chick. Shit stain
What about these hoes and these dirty ass drawers?
whores.
Dirty ass
Y'all.
drawers. Period stain ass drawers.
Women, y'all stop wearing these
Now,
whole
why don't
drawers.
niggas do y'all think niggas like, oh, that nigga,
Niggas
fellas,
check drawers because when they pull off your pants, they low keep you looking.
They look
fellas, do
fine.
y'all look in the seat of a bitch drawers when
They
you
better.
put them down?
They better.
Sometimes niggas just be trying to get to that pussy. They put them drawers down with them pants. Don't be looking at shit.
Facts.
They
Those are
not gonna
facts.
give you some head then.
They don't go back and pick up the drawers.
No,
Like,
but they put the pants down and they looking at you because you know them hoes
What
gonna
if you
come
look at
inside
you?
out.
What if he look
Nah,
at you?
them hoes gonna come inside out and he ain't gonna have no choice but to see.
I feel like the only time he gonna be looking,
I
I
don't
put them
feel
hoes
like-
back on. Like when I put
Yeah,
them on, that's when he gonna know.
Or if he's taking them off and he didn't really look, and then after we fucked and they on the side of the bed.
Exactly. He
And I
may be
got
like, here, baby.
What if he do?
That's
You
what I'm
like,
saying.
what?
You be like, pass me my drawers.
Empty really your drawers? Their holes?
The stains?
That's fucking
That's
disgusting.
disgusting.
A nigga could beat my ass. You got every right at that moment to drop me.
That's disgusting.
They're so sick. Like,
Ladies, don't have nigga pants on you, your drawers.
Pick your shit up, hoe. And if you know you finna go fuck with a nigga, bitch, put on some decent drawers.
You know why? Because you're a lady.
Just put on some decent
You're a
drawers.
grown ass woman.
And not even
I know you didn't know you was gonna get no lick out without for
Don't
drinks at the
matter.
bar.
It should be automatic.
if you
at this
going with
point.
a man, period,
Ooh.
wear
Expect
nice
link.
drawers. Not even expect
No, expect link.
Okay, in case you get some
Just in
link.
case I'ma get some dick tonight.
Let me wear some drawers, baby. The brown my number. But fucking we gon' get this ass.
Yeah. Just in case I'ma get some dick tonight.
Just saying.
Let me wear
Just saying. Okay.
Baby.
So now that we off you stanky dick.
Stanky dick uncircumcised. Skinny tight bald having ass nigga.
Shitty stain dry having that nigga.
Shitty stain, sweater doodle stain.
Ooh.
And you
Do
dirty.
people still say doodle?
Doodle stain. Oh my god, doodle stain.
Dookie? Doodle. I'm gonna start saying doodle.
Doodle bird.
Doodle.
Stuck out, you need a little doodle.
Doodle.
So,
Doodle.
topic next. What's up?
My question was, would you not date a guy because of their profession? Like, this nigga was a stripper.
Or he was a prep cook at Applebee's. Or he valet cars.
Or he a manager at McDonald's.
Or he valet cars. Or he...
I'm sorry, y'all, but we need to find a lighter real quick so we can get this whole ass blunt stuck in rotation. That hoe ain't
Cut
working.
all lighters out.
We need a lighter. And I'm sorry to interrupt this motherfucking good ass combo we was about to have.
Well, just kind of go get one. And then we'll finish the show.
Where?
This show is a podcast.
Yeah, where's
so
the
we
number
not,
at?
I don't have one. So we...
So where you talking about? Go get a water.
Can y'all have one? This was mine.
I don't know.
Y'all have no lighter?
Let me check out. Check this out.
Sorry, y'all.
Ratchet CHATZ. We yeah.
I love hair. Hair loves me.
A brief intermission. We now need a lighter.
With a great big tongue
If you
and
can
a
help us,
whole lot of spit.
we need a lighter.
Won't you let me squirt on your big dick?
If you love head, do this.
I love hair. Hair loves me.
I love when he gets it wet and juicy with a great big tongue and a whole lot of spit. Won't you let me squirt on your big dick? If you love head, do this.
If you love head, everyone out there, little boys and girls, let me see your hearts in the comments.
Let me see your hearts if you
Who
love
loves
it too.
head?
Okay,
I
so
love head.
we all love head. So why can't Luke get our blunt lit? And this is Ratchet CHATZ podcast. Hit the light on the stove. Y'all know what the fuck
Light
going
on
on.
the stove.
Light
She
it on.
from the grove.
And that's my bro.
Not from N.O.
Yeah, she not from the no. But she,
know.
yeah, we
Outside
smoke big
the
dog.
We on the
Hey, we on the green. Fuck it, man.
You
Aight.
mean green, 2D clean.
Next topic.
Oh.
What was that next topic?
Nah, I wanted to real.
Okay, look it up.
Okay, so y'all hoes.
Oh, judge your nigga about his profession. Occupation.
A scrubber ass nigga. Applebee prep cook ass nigga. All them
Manager of McDonald's type nibble.
But me personally,
McDouble.
it depends on. Okay.
At this point in your life, you met a nigga last Sunday. Y'all got to chopping it up.
Yeah.
Y'all probably had a couple conversations. You had what you do?
Yeah.
I'm the manager at McDonald's. What you do? Oh, I work at Capital One.
Yeah.
What happens after that?
Good job, babe. Okay, so.
I manage McDonald's downtown.
He's the manager though.
Okay.
Do you continue having a conversation? Do you continue to date him?
I'm gonna conversate with him, but I probably won't date him. And I don't want to talk because I'll come off judgmental, like I'm a gold digger, something like that. And that's definitely not the case. But I personally, you know what? This is what I would do. I would ask him about his goals. Yeah. If he on some shit like, this is my career, this is what I do, type of shit. Use the stoves, I gotta keep it out. But if that nigga was on some shit like, you know, I'm trying to work on this little I got this on the side, blah, blah, blah. Oh, okay, cool. But if McDonald's management is something that you just proud of, that's all you got going on. Bye.
You go throw out
I said bye.
Number one for me, it depends on how the fuck old you is.
Yes.
If you 42 and you the manager at McDonald's, I can't fuck with you, bro. Regardless of what your goals are at this point, they don't matter. You're 40. It depends on your goals. It depends on your situation. It depends on if you're at school, if you have a side hustle, if that's all you do. It honestly just depends. Now, if that's all you do, you don't have nothing going outside of that. You had, you just been fucking with McDonald's for a long time, and now you're the manager.
But
now you want to invest in McDonald's.
Now that's another thing. Hey, I'm with that too. Franchise, all that shit. I'm with that. But I mean, you gotta have something behind management at McDonald's because you only making about 12, 13, probably 15 the max. You know what I'm saying? And that ain't.
Not if you're the manager. I'm sure he's at least $18, $19. McDonald's minimum wage is not $7.50 no more. It's like $10 an hour.
So he probably makes about 40,000.
No, he's the manager of McDonald's, so I'm gonna give him maybe 15 to 16.
Yep.
Me, I'm with Elle. I'm gonna see how old you are.
Yeah.
It's like Elle said, if you're 40 something or even 30 something, 35, 36, and you managing McDonald's, I'm sorry. We just have two different goals.
We do. And at some point in your life, you said I'm comfortable being at the.
I'm not
gonna consider this the bottom because some people feel like it's they top. But I'm just gonna say you're comfortable at your situation with your circumstances.
Now it'd be different. You say you manage McDonald's, which means you own that bitch. Oh, now that's a different talk. But something like that, no.
But he hasn't asked you for anything. He still takes you out. Y'all go on dates. He has a decent car. He doesn't ask you for anything. He still takes you out, smoke. That's just where he works.
I don't know. I try not to be too judgmental.
Yeah,
because you never know. You may miss your blessing.
Yeah.
Depending on who it is. Because like I said, I kind of go by vibes.
Yep.
I may really be liking you. I may be feeling you. May be doing everything I need for you as a man, but you're a manager at McDonald's.
Wow. I know. Damn.
Now that would be different. If we had something established already and, I was...
But would you give him a chance?
So
because you have to give a person a chance.
But if you're talking about the rip, I'm more than like...
If you first meet a person, not a nigga you done been with and then he all of a sudden go to McDonald's to work.
Right.
I'm saying a nigga off the rip, would you give him a chance?
It's just like, I don't know. I guess I would probably give him my number. And like I said, I would see what else he got going on. And if that's all he got going on, I'm out. And that's just because
what about prep cooking Applebee's and they make about $11 to $12 an hour.
He would get the same treatment. What else you got? What else you trying to do with this? Like, you got some plans, some goals? Like, what else are you trying to do with this shit?
Yeah.
Because this ain't gonna.
Because I want more for me.
I want a lot more. This is not my life.
Yeah. Exactly.
So.
What if the nigga was a stripper?
No.
Oh.
Automatic.
And I know somebody that fucks with a stripper nigga.
And that's just because you just get too much attention. You basically get to flirt for a living. You know, you entertaining other women for a living. And that's just...
Because there's some
Now, would it
jobs...
be different if it was an R&B singer? That's what they do for a living. Or a rapper.
I don't know if I can
Entertain.
date an
Because you
entertainer.
date an R&B nigga?
No NBA players, all that shit.
I don't know, that shit don't be seeming real to me.
What?
But there's temptation everywhere, because when you date somebody who's a basketball player, football player, entertainment, it be so much temptation, but ain't no different than a regular nigga. It be so much temptation too. It's just based on a nigga what he gonna act on.
He get exposed more because of his...
Like Samuel L. Jackson said to her. I think about gratification in the moment of temptation. It ain't worth me messing up all the history I've built with my life for 40 years.
Oh,
It's not worth it. I watched this interview today too.
that was really sweet.
But that's real talk.
And that's real.
I
A
think
moment
it would
that's
be
not
less
worth
shit.
30, 40 years of history.
That's because people act on,
That's a
on
lifetime.
feeling at
Yeah.
that moment. They don't react on, they not thinking about the consequences. Like, what's going to happen if my
and
spouse
that's
finds
what
out.
basically that's what he said. The gratification. I think about it in that moment.
They ain't thinking about what's going to happen. Ooh, like, what if my wife leave me or my husband leave me?
What y'all think about these niggas talking about black men don't cheat? They going too far with this.
I hate Charlamagne.
I like this song.
Charlamagne started that shit.
Bitch, you crazy. You how the fool for that.
I hate Charlamagne because he the one who started this shit.
Black men don't cheat.
He started the thing, black men don't cheat.
Black men don't
But
cheat.
that's kind of crazy because he
They
cheated on
tryna
his
change.
wife at one
All
time.
of these black men have cheated.
Everybody.
Everybody
Now
be saying don't
the
cheat.
song needs to be "Now I Don't Cheat."
Yeah, or black men don't cheat anymore.
More.
Like Angela C. For
Trying
a day.
to-
Y'all
yeah.
don't cheat for a day.
That's right.
Yeah, y'all going around saying
What
Stop.
are you talking about?
every
Stop.
black
Why
man
do
cheat.
everybody have a step brother, step sister
Just saying,
if y'all
stop.
ain't cheat?
I
Just
hate
stop.
you.
Just say, "Now I don't cheat anymore. I used to cheat."
Hey, black men don't cheat.
Black women don't cheat either. We gonna have a day too.
Black women don't cheat though. We are loyal to our niggas. Now I ain't gonna say cause there's some dog ass hoes out here.
There's some dog ass
Trust.
hoes.
I've met a few niggas that have been dogged by some hoes that are good, like that were good niggas. But for the most part, I feel like black women, when we in love with a nigga, we in love.
But it's crazy when you cheat on a nigga, he don't really want to take you back.
That's
Cause
just
it's like,
it's
I
a
mean,
man,
not to
period.
compare us to a dog or nothing, but it's just like when a dog marks his spot, his territory,
Mm-hmm.
and somebody else come mark on it, he don't want it no more. That ain't his spot no more. So-
But we take a nigga back.
Our territory is overridden.
Right.
It is. He was in another bitch pussy.
Exactly.
He was in another bitch pussy.
Eat it out. Eat it out. Fuck that hoe.
That's because niggas can't take that shit. Like somebody
They
was
can't.
actually fucking my bitch. Like,
Cause they know
fucking
how
her.
good that
I can't
pussy
think
is.
about that either. Somebody
that
fucking
shit
my
up.
nigga.
Get my
Somebody
nigga
fucking
dick.
my nigga.
Making
Eating
him
her
feel
all
good.
that.
Make him nut.
You made my nigga nut. You made my nigga nut. How I kill you, bitch? How?
I see how it's got.
Why would you make my nigga nut?
Especially if it's some good dick.
Why
Bitch,
would
you
you
made
make
my
my
good
And
dick
you
nigga
know,
nut.
and you know, you know how your nigga fuck. You know how that dick is.
I see what you did. Sister.
I see. You
I
made.
understand.
That's disrespect. You made my nigga nut.
You made my nigga bust.
Nah, that nigga nutted off that bitch.
Nah, he and she assisted him with it.
He's part of it.
He is. He's a big part of it, and so is she. Especially if you know how.
Bitch, you made my nigga nut.
Did you suck his dick, hoe?
Hell yeah, bitch.
Or if she sucked his dick?
What did she say? Hell yeah, bitch. And the fight come with it, ho. I would suck it again.
Ooh.
In my discretion.
I would have to leave it
On my terms.
Because I'll be in jail.
Cause that's my dick now. How would you feel?
I'm like, I don't want to.
Peter,
I don't want to.
how'd you feel if a hoe told you that?
Thank you.
Bitch, we fight.
Huh?
We fight.
You gonna find out when that house stay?
Yep.
You pulling up or what?
Yeah.
I told you that, Eric.
Is she? Yes, bitch. That's why I said I'm gonna have to leave that nigga alone because I'm gonna end up in jail.
And then, bitch, you call my phone being disrespectful, saying that shit.
That's
Yeah.
your dick now, hoe?
Oh my
Nah, bitch, that's my dick. Click. Alright, hoe. I know where you at, bitch. Address, got the address on his
He
phone.
either gonna point me to you.
I got the address on his phone.
Hoe.
What?
I got it.
You got the bitch address?
I got the address.
Pull up.
She sent him the address.
Hoe.
I'ma call you hoes.
Dog ass hoe.
Yeah.
That's how you end up dead. That's why you can't
Have
fuck
y'all
with
ever popped up on a nigga y'all fucking with on some dumb shit?
Ooh, I've done some dumb shit.
Have y'all ever popped up
But I
on a
never
nigga on
popped
some
up.
dumb ass shit?
I don't play them pop-up games.
I don't think so.
I ain't never popped up.
No.
You
I
know?
done called a nigga on some dumb ass shit.
I did
though.
a long time ago. I did like in
I may have
2000.
done some drive-bys
Ooh.
where I see like,
Ooh.
oh,
Damn, you spraying niggas, Kayla?
no, not like that, but
Oh.
I'm saying drive by to see if his car was at the house, see if he was lying, type thing. I done
Ooh,
something
I
like
have
that.
done that.
When I was younger.
I ain't made a
shit
scene,
like that.
but I have checked to see if the nigga was live.
I can't
Like,
say I
nigga,
did that either.
I
But
saw you
have
apart
done
your house.
Phone shit.
Blow up a nigga phone.
Yes.
I've done that too.
And
on
y'all
some petty
just blowed
shit.
up a nigga phone.
Yes.
Back to back.
Yes.
Dumb shit.
They could have been.
Just to be petty. Like, you gonna ask the song, keep calling.
Back back.
I got time.
Back to back.
Back to back. I'm
Back
just
to back.
pressing the button. Keep calling. I got time.
Back to
Let
back
it
to
ring
back to back.
twice.
Really?
Hang up.
Oh, you wanna turn your phone off? Okay.
Let it ring
5 more
once.
minutes.
So how many petty ratchets are following us? How many petty ratchets do we
The
have?
craziest shit I've done in a relationship is probably bleaching nigga clothes.
I've never done that.
I've never done that.
The craziest thing I've ever done with a nigga is this nigga I used to fuck with a long time ago, and I ain't gonna lie, I was his side bitch. Turned bitch who thought she was gonna be his main bitch.
Ooh.
And he was staying with his main bitch. He treated me like I was the main bitch.
Ooh.
He left the main bitch for me, went back to the other bitch.
Ooh.
So one night, I drove to their house, knocked on their door, and demanded him come out. She came to the door, she wouldn't come out. I started kicking his car.
That's crazy.
I think I was there.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
I think I assisted on that day. Now I think about it.
Kicking his car, trying to damn it.
You were banging out the door.
I was banging out the door, and I was fighting him to hurt.
Oh my god.
She a dumb bitch, cause bitch, I would've went outside and tried to kill you up.
Yeah, I definitely remember that
You
day.
a bold bitch.
You came to my house, bitch. I'm finna kill you, bitch.
I know where you stay, bitch.
Ooh.
That you niggas gonna stop playing with me, man. That's all I'm saying. Y'all niggas gotta stop doing that shit. Stop, because y'all gonna get somebody hurt.
Y'all really are.
Because,
Stop.
like I said, like she said, I know where you stay.
I got your
And I
address.
should know where you stay. I should know how to. I shouldn't be able to describe your child's room to you.
Why am I able to pull up on you?
Do y'all need some sugar? Last time I was up here, y'all was out of sugar.
Okay. Well, I pull up on my nigga. Swing for my nigga. Bang for my nigga. Hang for my nigga. Smoke dank with my nigga. Smoke drink with my nigga.
Time to deal with my nigga.
Flip
Deal
with my nigga. Deal with my nigga. Flip with my nigga. Sip.
Y'all, I'm finna be on my weight loss journey.
Next time y'all see ratchets,
Nah, I ain't no nigga.
come on, ratchets, present. We will be 5 pounds lighter. And the next one after that will be 5 more.
Yeah, hopefully.
I'm
3 more episodes will all
loss
be
journey,
15 pounds lighter.
This is ridiculous.
Yeah, we look at this. We have rolls. But if you suck like this, like I'm doing, nothing. Snatch.
But anyway, it's time to go, ho. You already know.
So what the fuck? We going down to the night.
Shake that
chest in this
Shake
bitch.
that heavy. Shake that
He
heavy.
Ratchet
Shake that
CHATZ.
heavy.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Say it. Go
Come
ahead.
on, y'all.
No, you
No.
come on.
I don't know.
CHATZ. See it. Yeah. See it. The bed. The bed is fast. Come on, y'all.
No, that's your song.
I don't like that
That's
song.
your song.
Like the ratchets.
Because I'm tired
Not
of
the
it.
Ratchet song. That's your
our EP.
We have an EP, y'all.
And I'm gonna start it off. I'm gonna play it. Are you guys ready? We have an intro, so we'll let that play.
Ladies.
1, 2, 3.
She's gonna play it. Give it a second, and if you fuck with us, sing along.